Good morning, dear students. It's weather is changing and take care of your health. Okay? We were learning the lesson, the fight. And in this lesson, we have learned that Ranji belonged to a different area. He had known different kinds of pool in his area. And now when he reached to a forest pool, he found this water so transparent, so cool and so inviting in summers. And therefore he jumped into it and started to swim. Then he saw another boy who was also there. They had a sort of quarrel between them. Both of them were claiming to be the owner of the pond. The other boy was also asking that he was the owner of the pool. They started to have a fight. They rolled. Uh, they were completely fighting with each other. And this Ranji was actually very thin, but they were fighting continuously, and ultimately they started quarreling, saying that I am a fighter. Another said, I am a warrior. Both of them were fighting, and ultimately they started panting, means उनकी सांस फूलने लगी. So come to page number 48 where we left. Do you know I am a fighter? Said Ranji with difficulty. They gave a moment's consideration to each other's answers, and in that moment of silence, there was only their heavy breathing and the rapid breathing of their hearts. When we fight, when we run, what happened? So that both of them were having a heavy breathing because of continuous fight. Then come to page number 49, part 2nd. When Ranji got home, he found it difficult to explain the cuts and bruises that showed on his face, legs, and arms. It was difficult to conceal the fact that he had been in an unusually violent fight, and his mother insisted on his staying at home for the rest of the day. That evening, though, he slipped out of his house and went to the bazaar, where he found comfort and solace in a bottle of vividly colored lemonade and a banana leaf full of hot, sweet jalebis. He had just finished the lemonade when he saw his adversary coming down the road. His first impulse was to turn away and look elsewhere. His second to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. Fine. After a good fight, he had cuts, bruises on his body. So when he reached home, means Ranji, when Ranji reached home, it was very difficult to explain to his mother that how these cuts had come to his body, his even face, legs, and arms. And it was very difficult to hide the fact. Conceal means to hide. Conceal. Okay. He could not hide the fact that he was indulged in a violent fight. Therefore, his mother asked him to stay back home, but he slipped out of the house. Slip out means move without telling, means chori chupe chale jao. He moved out of the house without telling his mother, went to the bazaar where he found comfort. He was feeling very much uh, comfortable in the market, in the bazaar. So he found solace in the bottle of vividly colored. Solace means sukoon, peace. Solace means peace. Then vividly colored lemonade. Lemonade means the glass of this lemonade means shikanji, nibu ka pani, which is served and supplied in colored, means specially green colored bottles, which is very attractive, which is delicious, and which is very good in summers. And suddenly, even he purchased some jalebis. Then he found his adversary. Adversary means opponent. S means opponent. जो उसका opponent कौन था? The other boy. Suddenly he saw the other boy coming down the road. His first impulse, first reaction, impulse means first thought that came to his mind was to turn away and look elsewhere, to look the other side, and his second to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. And second impulse was to throw the bottle at his enemy. But he did neither of these two things. He neither threw the bottle at his enemy and nor he looked elsewhere. Instead, he stood at his ground and scowled at his passing adversary. And the warrior said nothing either, but scowled back with equal ferocity. He stood back, he stood against his feet, he stood on the ground, and scowled means having a frown look, having a look with anger. So he looked at his adversary in anger. The warrior said nothing. The warrior means the other boy. His opponent said nothing, but scowled back with the equal ferocity, with equal amount, with equal force. The next day was as hot as the previous one. Ranji felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for a fight. His body was stiff and sore after the previous day's encounter. But he could not refuse the challenge. Not to turn up at the pool would be an acknowledgement of defeat. Not to turn up at the pool would be an acknowledgement of defeat. From the way he felt just then, he knew he would be beaten in another fight. But he could not acquiesce in his own defeat. He must defy his enemy to the last or outwit him, for only then could be again his respect. If he surrendered now, he would be beaten for all time. But to fight and be beaten today left him free to fight and be beaten again. As long as he fought, he had the right to the pool in the forest. So, ferocity means fierceness. Okay. Then, What happened? Next day was equally hot. He felt weak and lazy, and he was not very excited, not eager to have another fight with the boy. His body was feeling weak and his body was aching, stiff, hard हो रही थी. But he could not refuse the challenge. The day before they challenged each other, now he could not refuse it. Why? Not to turn up at the pool would be an acknowledgement of the defeat. If he did not go to the pool, it means he has accepted his defeat. From the way he felt just then, he knew he would be beaten in another fight. But he could not acquiesce in his own defeat. Acquiesce means accept quietly. Acquiesce means accept quietly. Then he did not want to accept his defeat quietly. That was also a feeling in his mind. He must defy his enemy to the last. What was his decision? What did he think? That he must defy his enemy to the last. Last moment तक उसको लड़ना ही है. And if we surrender now, अगर अभी वो हार मान लेता, surrender कर देता, then he would be beaten for all time. Then he had to feel defeated every time, and he did not want that. It means he would not be able to go to the pool again in his lifetime. Means, actually, he thought that as long as he had the fight in continuation, he had the right on the pool as well. Okay? He was half hoping that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge. But these hopes were dashed when he saw his opponent sitting, stripped to the waist, on a rock on the other side of the pool. The warrior was rubbing oil on his body. He saw Ranji beneath the sal trees and called a challenge across the waters of the pool. Actually, he was having a half hope that warrior would have forgotten the challenge. He did not have any hope that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge, but these hopes were dashed when he saw his opponent sitting, stripping to the west on a rock on the other side of the pool. But his hope was vanished when he saw his opponent sitting at the other end of the pool, on the other side of the pool. The warrior, means the other boy, was rubbing oil on his body. He saw Ranji beneath the sal trees and called a challenge across the waters of the pool. Then he threw a challenge from his place at Ranji. Come on this side and fight, he shouted. He shouted in his pitch voice and said, come this side and fight. But Ranji was not going to submit to any conditions laid down by his opponent. But Ranji did not want to surrender, to submit himself to the conditions laid by his opponent. Come this side and fight, he shouted back with equal vigor. His opponent again shouted with equal vigor, with equal ferocity, with equal volume of the sound. What did he say? Come this side and fight. Fight, come this side. Swim across and fight me here, called the other. Or perhaps you cannot swim the length of this pool. So this Ranji said, Ranji asked him to come that side and have a fight, but his opponent again challenged him that whether you know the swimming, you can't swim the length of the pool and come this side. But Ranji could have swum the length of the pool a dozen times without tiring, and here he would show the warrior his superiority. So, slipping out of his vest, he dived straight into the water, cutting through it like a knife, and surfaced with hardly a splash. The warrior's mouth hung open in amazement. Ranji could have swum the length of the pool a dozen times. Ranji had already swum this pool a number of times, and now the challenge was thrown by his opponent. So he could not resist the challenge. He dived, jumped into water, and cutting it like a knife, he swam across this pool and surfaced with hardly a splash. Even he cut the water like a knife. He did not make any even a splash. Just imagine how skillful swimmer he was. The warrior's mouth hung open in amazement. The opponent's mouth, means the other boy's mouth, was hung open. He was surprised, amazed to see the skill of Ranji in swimming. You can dive? He exclaimed. Then he again asked him, Can you dive? It is easy, said Ranji, treading water, waiting for a further challenge. Can't you dive? Then, when the other boy exclaimed and said that you can dive, Ranji said, It is easy, it is very easy. Treading water and waiting for further challenge. He said, Can't you dive? He asked the other boy, Can't you dive? Dive means jump into water and swim. No, said the other. I jump straight in, but if you will tell me how I will make a dive. Then the other boy's attitude changed. He asked him, No, I don't know diving, but I jump straight in. He said that he could jump in straight. But if taught him, means Ranji, if Ranji taught him how to dive, he would be able to learn it easily. Means I will make a dive means I will also learn dive. It is easy, said Ranji. Stand on the rock, stretch your arms out, and allow your head to displace your feet. See the technique which is expressed by our hero Ranji. Ranji said that diving is very easy. You must just stand on the rock, stretch your hands up and straight, stiff, and allow your head to displace your feet. Means enter your head first and replace your feet over it. The warrior stood up, stiff and straight, stretched out his arms and threw himself into the water. He landed flat on his belly with a crash that sent the birds screaming out of the trees. What happened? The warrior stood up as directed by Ranji. He made his body stiff, stretched out his hands, arms, and threw himself into the water. He landed flat on his belly. Belly means stomach. He landed in the water on his belly, on his stomach, with a crash, with a loud sound that made the birds screaming out of their trees. When the birds, those which were sitting in the branches of the tree, they flew away when they heard the sound of the dive made by the other boy. Ranji dissolved into laughter. Now, Ranji dissolved into laughter. Okay? Ranji burst into laughter when he saw the way the other boy made a jump. He made a laugh. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Next, come to page number 52. Are you trying to empty the pool? He asked as the warrior came to the surface, spouting water like a small whale. Just think, he was spouting water. Spouting means vomiting water. The water which that had entered into his mouth, he was spouting water just like whale. You must have observed a whale fish, that how does it swim. So Ranji asked him if he was going to empty the pool. Wasn't it good? Asked the boy, evidently proud of his fare. The boy was feeling feeling him proud of himself. The way he jumped, he thought that he made a correct attempt of diving, isn't it? So he was thinking that way. And he asked Ranji that wasn't it a good attempt? Not very good, said Ranji. Ranji also replied that it was not very good. You should have more practice. See, I will do it again. So Ranji assured him that he should once again show his diving skill, and the other boy should have more practice regarding it. So we will continue with the rest part of the lesson.